Hey everybody, Dan here with Fin Feather Fur Outfitters. Today we're looking at a very small and lightweight handgun that many people pocket carry. It's called the Kahr PM9. It's been around a long time. People love it. So let's talk about it. I have been a Kahr Arms fan for years. I love the build, construction, the quality, the materials used, then the accuracy and shootability of Kahr handguns to me is extremely impressive, and I have been carrying them for years. And the most popular model is the Kahr PM9. It is so small and lightweight. We're going to get it on the scale, but for pocket carry, I can't think of a better 9mm handgun to pocket carry with than the Kahr PM9. It just offers so much, and we're going to take it apart and take a look at some of the internals because I think you will be impressed. Now, this has a 3-inch barrel. It has a 6-round magazine, but if you go with this, it comes in this case right here, and it also offers a 7-round magazine for 3-finger contact on the handgun, and another 6-round magazine. I took all the paperwork out, but it of course includes that with this padded case. But the handgun itself is part of Kahr's premium series, and what that means is that the barrel is polygonal rifled, okay, aids to accuracy. It has very nice engraving, and this one here has night sights. A very nice touch, and you align those and you pull that trigger. It is very awesome to shoot. For a small little gun like this, Kahr packs a lot of technology into it, and they created a dynasty, in my opinion, with pocket carriers, secondary carry. People love them. I love them, and it is really nice. We'll take a look at the trigger. Now, Kahr uses a double action only trigger. It breaks right around 6.5 to 7 pounds with a reset that's almost full position. Not quite. You hit that wall there. Nice, smooth pull. It's known for a very nice trigger. People who know and shoot Kahr Arms handguns will tell you they love that very smooth double action trigger pull. And it is extremely accurate for a subcompact gun. Many people struggle with the smooth accuracy with a subcompact gun. I don't with the Kahr PM9. And I pocket carry it, I holster it, I do a bunch of things. Here's a pocket carry holster that is so easy to drop in the pocket. We're going to get it on the scale and you will see for yourself because it is very lightweight. I like the grip texturing, okay? The Kahr pistols in the premium series, which this PM9 is, has all the metal parts made from bar stock steel. Okay, so no MIM parts or anything like that. One of the things that is an advantage is the heavy recoil spring. I don't think it's hard to charge the slide at all right? It works just as intended. But the advantage is that it reduces recoil substantially. When you have a heavier recoil spring, it reduces recoil, and when you fire it, it's so easy to get back on target because of that heavy recoil spring. It doesn't bounce around like a lot of subcompact 9mm do. This one actually stays pretty firm, so when you transition, it just makes it easier to stay on target, and that is always an advantage with any pistol, but Kahr Arms certainly offers it. Remington black belt, self-defense, 9mm. Disassembling Kahr pistols, not hard at all. We'll drop the mag and then we will show clear. It has a marking on the slide and the frame. We're going to align those by pulling the slide back just a little bit and take that slide stop. Give a nice push there and remove the slide stop. Bring it back just a little bit, pull the trigger, and off comes the slide from the frame. Here we have an uncaptured recoil spring, all steel guide rod, and there is the 3-inch barrel. Many people ask, does the Kahr slide right on the polymer? No, that's just there for guidance. There are steel inserts all throughout, and a Kahr pistol actually has more steel in the frame than Glock uses. Then we'll go ahead and put the guide rod recoil assembly back in, just like that. Put the slide on the frame. It's easiest if you put the slide stop in first. Move it back just a little bit and then until it lines up, and there you go. Completely reassembled. Let's go ahead and get the PM9 on the scale. The unloaded weight with the mag inserted is 17 ounces even. Here are 7 rounds of Remington Golden Saber Black Belt. And we will see the loaded weight is 20 1/8 ounce. That is extremely light. That is why many people choose to pocket carry the PM9. You can holster it, it's fine. I do on occasion, quite often actually, but most people pocket carry this gun. Here's a Kydex holster for the PM9. You can put this in your gym shorts, tighten up that drawstring a little bit and carry it around so easily. Or you can pocket carry it. You know, a lot of options with a small handgun like this. And I like the way that carries. It doesn't matter what you're wearing. Deep concealment, the PM9 will get you there, and I think it's a phenomenal handgun. I've owned it for years. They have the CM9 with the same size, a little bit less money, not part of the premium series. That's called the value series. This is the pinnacle in my eyes with the Kahr lineup. It's called the PM9. It has a wonderful reputation, and I certainly enjoy it, especially in those summer months because it is so lightweight and it has instilled confidence in me. The longer I own it, the more I realize this thing just keeps on running, and it is a nice shooting handgun for the small little size and everything that it offers. Kahr really created a winner here. Once again, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.